This looks really horrific. Oh jeez. Oh, ah. Oh, ow. Oh, hello. No, I'm not tattooing my face. This is a Dr. Pen microneedling device. So there are tiny sterilized needles on the end of this, which are making tiny holes in my skin in order to provoke a collagen and elastin production response. So the aim is that my skin will be rejuvenated, tighter, firmer. This is great for large pores, uneven pigmentation, scars, acne scars, and there have been studies to show this is really great for stretch marks. So there is some science behind this. It's not just a random torture device. The really important thing before you start is to make sure you sterilize the cartridge, and your skin and your hands have to be meticulously clean, because you don't want to be putting any bacteria into your skin with a needle. You could end up getting an infection. You can't use this if you have eczema, active acne, psoriasis, or if you're pregnant. Check with your doctor, as I'm not giving you medical advice here. So this is the M8W model. W means it's wireless. You get 4 hours on every charge. So you press the button here and you've got the speed. It goes from 1 to 5. And then you have this dial here where you can choose how long you want the needle to be. So 0.5 is generally the recommended length if you're just using this for anti-aging collagen induction. If you go deeper, it really depends. If you've got an area where there's thicker skin, you can go deeper, but generally I wouldn't go more than 0.5. I spoke to the people at Dr. Pen because there are so many different models of pens that they do. They recommended this one for general anti-aging, plus it has the finest needles, which means less pain and a faster recovery time, which sounds good to me. In the US, this comes with a lifetime warranty. In the UK, it comes with a 12-month warranty. It costs £149 or 198 US dollars. If you use code 10years at checkout, you will get 10% saving on top of that. Make sure you go to the authentic website. So I'm going to link the websites below. On the box, they give you this little scratch section here, and you check on the website that it's a genuine pen. There are lots of fake pens out there, and if you get a fake one, you could end up damaging your skin or getting an infection. So it comes with a couple of these cartridges. This is a 16 needle cartridge. You sterilize this before you start. Each time you do a treatment, you need to replace the cartridge. So Dr. Pen recommend this hyaluronic acid serum, which they do on their website. So I've applied some of that to my face, and there are two methods you can use. You can either do the stamping method where you hold it for 3 seconds, then move to the next section, or you can use the hyaluronic acid so it glides over your skin in a circular motion like that. I'm going to do the stamping method. So here we go. So 3 seconds, and then you move to the next section. Not too bad actually, not extremely painful. It's super red, that's absolutely normal. It's not really painful. I don't think you need numbing cream if you're going to use a 0.5 on the top speed. So let's do the other side. Ow. Ow, why is this side more sensitive? Ah, this side of my face is 100 times more sensitive than that side. What is going on? I can't feel anything at all on my neck. I think the skin must be thicker. Okay, on my neck, I'm going to increase this. Okay, so I've made this 0.75 on my neck, and it still feels tolerable. It doesn't feel like you'd need pain numbing gel before. So I have some lines on my neck, which I really hope this will do something with. So I'm hoping it's gonna tighten this saggy area under my chin. So I'm going to turn this setting down slightly and see whether I can tolerate this under my eyes. Here goes. Oh, it's not too bad. It's not pleasant, but it's not crazy painful. After a while, this is like torture. I mean, the shorter the treatment, the better. I'm not going too close to my eyes, I'm literally just keeping on the eye socket. Ow, that is a bit painful. So I've been doing this for half an hour now and I've done everywhere that I want to do. So I would say it feels similar to radio frequency treatment. So afterwards your skin feels really hot. But with this, there's a slight stinging sensation where you can slightly feel the needles. So depending on how old you are and the condition of your skin, you'd need between 4 and 6 treatments to see an amazing change. But this is not permanent like all these controlled skin damage treatments. You do them in cycles. So you might have 6 treatments and then you go for 6 months, then you do another 6 treatments. Because when you stop, unfortunately, your skin reverts to how it was before. This is not permanent. So obviously you don't want to go to work after having one of these, or if you've got some important event to go to, you want to make sure you do this the week before. You need to be super careful with sun protection, as you know your skin is vulnerable, and you need to avoid any acids or anything that could irritate your skin. Don't use vitamin C. Hold off from using any retinol for a few days. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other forms of torture or any other topics you'd like me to cover, please comment below. If you're already using microneedling, please let me know. Do you use Dr. Pen? How often do you do it? And does it work for you? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.